Hi all, let's get this started. We're going to quickly install or set up Autogen. Sorry, my brain is not the best. So on the left hand side over here we have ollama. If you go to ps-aux, I have already got it installed, and the latest ollama model is running by in the background. So just to quickly show that, even though I don't want to, ollama model, you go here, you go download, you go Linux, and you take this line of code, and I'm just going to put it into my folder here. Okay, I'm going to put this up online as part of the chat, so you can just follow it afterwards. Now, that's ollama. You take that, and then if you want to run a model, you go ollama. I have ollama list, which is all the models that I have on it: Tiny Hermes, Open Hermes, Mistral, Tiny. Yeah. So if you want to get another one, you can go into models over here, choose which one you like. Say neural chat. I don't know. The kind of like Intel. Okay, cool. Copy, paste, and then it starts downloading. Now, I'm not going to do that, but that's how it runs. Once it's finished loading, you'll see something that looks like this, finished. And then you can type a message in and then /by to say goodbye. So now that you have your model running on the computer, so you have Mistral latest, okay, let's move on to the next part. The next part is you're going to want PowerShell with WSL on it. Now, to get WSL, you're going to type in this, copy, paste, sudo app update, and then you should be fine. So if you want to then access it, PowerShell, which this is where I'm actually hosting ollama. So this runs on a Windows PC, and you go WSL-D capital Ubuntu. Now Ubuntu. Now, okay, you won't get that straight away, but I'm in the PowerShell straight away. PowerShell window. If you want to get Ubuntu, you go into your Windows Microsoft Store and type in Ubuntu. Yeah, Ubuntu. There we go. And you just download whichever one you want. I would go personally with 20.04.6 or 22.04. Usually 20.04.6 has everything else you'll need. Okay, so once that's downloaded, it'll be hosted inside of here. If you're stuck, I guess ChatGPT would be able to resolve the remaining amount for you. A sudo app upgrade, and then you're up on your own ollama thing. So you got Linux running on your machine. So next, we're going to go in and we're going to set up litellm on an Anaconda environment. Now, I'm not going through Anaconda install here, but basically if you go to Anaconda, install, yeah, this is Anaconda here, okay? You go in here, you download, free download, and you run it. You can run mini-conda, which is a lot easier to install than everything else on there, and it runs fine. And basically you'll get a conda window which looks like CMD, so you can see this here, mini-conda 3. That's what you're looking for when you're starting up most of these conda environments that you're going to run stuff on. So next on the list, we're going to create an environment. So you're going to go conda autogen2 python 3.11. So that'll encapsulate python 3.11 and call it onto a conda environment called autogen2. Conda is similar to virtual env. So then you will activate it, and then you'll have this over here on your side where it says autogen2. And I opened up two different windows. Now, before you go ahead and do anything else on Windows, you're going to install autogenstudio inside of the conda 2, which you've activated already. Then you're going to do an upgrade, and then you're going to install gunicorn, or gunicorn, and you're not going to start this straight away, but if you do, that's fine. But what I would do is I would open up another Anaconda environment, and then you install backoff, and then you install orjson, and then you'll have this one. Okay, so you're going to run this and then this, and you also have your conda environment running on the side over there. Now, I believe you just have to have this running. You don't actually have to do anything else. So let's start that off. Now, I would start off first of all with litellm with Mistral. So that's litellm Mistral. Where are you now? Starting. There we go. Okay, sorry. Just computer was thinking then you start off on Autogenstudio. So now you have both of them running. And if you go into Autogenstudio, which is localhost 8081, which it says on there on the side, or it did say it on there on the side, which is also in the list over here. Here you have your Autogen environment. So I'd nearly end the video there, but let's just go into agents, and we want to create a new agent. Now this is my first time doing it. You're going to delete this and you're going to add a new one, and you're going to take the base URL that you were using over here, and you're going to be putting that into here, and that's your Autogen or mistral agent. Okay, optional, there's no API key, add model, done. Now we've got our mistral agent, and let's just check if that works. If it doesn't work, I'll have to go off to investigate, but it says it's created well. So sample agent, I didn't give it a name today. Mistral agent, okay. So that's the agent, workflow, skills, and yeah. So let's see. Actually, I didn't investigate this part much afterwards. So, okay. I just wanted it all set up, and I wanted to get it out there while I can. So I'll come back to you later on this evening with something I'm going to work on with it. I will mix OpenAI and I will mix Mistral with it. So I'm going to get OpenAI to create the images, and then I'm also going to create a version where I have DuckDuckGo, so there'll be internet search, and that'll be free. So the only thing that'll cost me is the images creation from DALL-E 3. So sorry if I haven't gone too far into it. I have to go and do stuff today, but thank you for watching, and goodbye.